worth it to sell it. I mean, I don't really know if there's a market for them or anything. So that got sold to a nice guy from Dundee. Came all the way down for it. So that went, and then I'd already had an idea in my head what I was going to buy to replace it with, which is what we're sat in now. So this is my new car. I still have the Golf, by the way. This is 55 plate Honda Civic Type R Premier Edition. It's got full Honda service history. 4 owners from new, although it only actually really has 3 owners from new because one owner owned it twice, which was the father and then a son, and then the father got it back again. And Dale, the guy I bought it off, he'd only done something like 2,000 miles in the last year in it between MOTs. Decided that he was just going to sell it because he couldn't start anywhere. So I went last night and picked it up. It's only the 3rd time I've drove it. It's really good, really good. It's 14 years old and everyone says the car drives like new. I don't know what these drove like new. I've no idea. I've never really driven one apart from a couple of weeks ago. But this does drive really good. It's standard engine, standard suspension, standard everything, apart from it has dual and groove brakes. I'll do a little walk around of it shortly. But it's a standard car. It's been relatively well looked after and maintained, pretty good. Obviously full Honda service history is a pretty good thing to have. The guy that I bought it off was, I think he was in his 50s, and he bought it off a guy who was older than him. So it's probably never had a hard life. I don't know if that's a good thing for a Honda engine or not. Maybe they do like a hard life or a little bit of a run out every now and again. As you can see, I'm just driving it as a car because I'm talking on camera at the minute. But as a project car, they're a lot easier to buy things for. Now I can go and buy all sorts of parts for this, for suspension and everything, and make a really good track car from it. I don't really like the word track car because it's always going to be a road car. Make a slightly faster car for the road, should we say. You can buy turbo kits for them. They're a pretty good strong engine. I think they seem to get to around 450 horsepower in this country, I think, just as a complete standard engine with a turbo on it, so that's something to look to. We did plan to do stage 3 on my Golf, but I've drove the Golf a lot. I've been in a stage 3 Golf R a couple of weeks back now, and it was a lot faster than mine, yes it was, but everyday use, it's just not really worth it. I mean, I want to use that car every day for work, for going places, for journeys. I need to keep it, kind of make it comfortable as possible. It's fast as it's stage 2. I don't think it needs any more, to be honest with you. This, however, I think they're 197 horsepower standard, and it's just generally fun to drive. The gearbox is right there. Everything just feels good about it. It's like having what I thought about the Fiat at the time, where the Fiat was a good fun car to have, a good fun car to drive. This is like that times 10, because obviously it's got more power. It handles fantastic as a standard car. I'm utterly amazed at how good it handles. The grip's actually quite, well, it's beyond impressive. The Golf grips well. Golf's all-wheel drive, or Holtex, whatever you want to call it, but this is just better. It takes a corner better. It feels flatter in a corner, if anything. It's completely standard. So improving on that, it can only get better. The guy who bought this off said he very rarely ever went fast in it, ever. And he said the guy that he bought it off also probably never ever went fast in it. So it's never had a hard life. I'm not going to say until now because I'm really going to do that anyway, but not right now anyway. This is it. This is the new car. I'll do the walk around very shortly once I find the lay-by that I'm looking for, and then we can decide what we're going to do from here. We'll start with interior. So it has a carbon wrapped panel here, which I do have the original silver one for at home, so that'll be getting changed back out. I'm also going to fit a double-din Android radio because that's really not the best. And who the hell has CDs these days? I do have a CD in it, but really I only own about 2 CDs and that's it. And there's the Premier seats. They're really smart. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I want them, because I really like those seats. Red door cards. It does have a red carpet as well. I think they're supposed to have red floor mats. I'm not entirely sure on that, but I think they are, which it doesn't have. It has black. But otherwise, standard tailpipe, standard wheels. You can see it's got drilled, I don't know if you make that, it's got drilled and grooved discs front and rear, and wind deflectors. That's pretty much it. The only bad point on the entire car that I can find is them little marks on the bonnet there, which I don't know if you pick that up on the camera, but that's it. The rest of the car is pretty much spot on for 14-year-old. It's really good. It looks great as well, a good shape of a car. That's it. That there is my Civic Type R. Strange choice to buy, but there you go. Right. I'm now going to head and get myself a cup of tea. Thanks for watching this. Hopefully it wasn't really, it wouldn't have been that exciting, was it? But hey, thanks for watching. I think you're supposed to tell people to like, share and subscribe. But I don't really feel comfortable doing that. Bloody hell, I can't even hold that up, can I? Type R keyring. It's just mega. But I'm really happy with this car. Really, really happy. Hopefully it's going to be a good purchase. But we'll see in the long run, obviously. But so far, so good. Thanks for watching.